Good morning, friends. Any of your colleagues or any of our viewers who have done their MBA HR or any training and development related things, human resource related graduations or post graduations, and you're looking for an IT job and you want to switch to IT, then you can choose the modules SAP Success Factors, which will deal about this human resource and the training, conducting training, that area it will handle, and also SAP HCM. This HCM module also suitable for HR related one. The most of the people for advanced version SAP Success Factors, and still SAP HCM also is having some demand in the market. So you can choose any of these modules. When you talk to that respective trainer or your mentor related to these modules, they can guide you that what areas you need to learn under HCM and whether you can directly go to SAP Success Factors. So you have mostly these two demanded modules in that area. So if any other sub-modules are available in the market, you can discuss with your mentor or trainer related to this area and enhance accordingly. If any of our viewers having other suggestions for HR related graduates, you can provide as comment so that our friends, our viewers are going to get benefit out of this. Keep learning and keep sharing our videos, and thanks for your strong support. Thank you.